From the depths of the cosmic darkness, before oceans, mountains, or even the air existed, the Earth was merely a sphere of fire slowly forming within the void of space. 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth appeared as a molten mass, bombarded from all sides by meteors and colossal rocks. The sky was thick with poisonous gases, the surface boiled with seas of lava, and no life existed. Over millions of years, the Earth began to cool gradually. Its surface solidified little by little, and the dense steam rising from volcanoes turned into enormous dark clouds. Then the rain began to fall, not for hours or days, but for thousands of years, until the first depressions filled, forming the primordial oceans. These waters, rich in minerals and energy, became the cradle of something greater, the beginning of life. In the depths of those ancient seas, where heat mingled with mineral elements, the first forms of life appeared. They were tiny, fragile, and delicate, yet capable of surviving. Over billions of years, these microscopic cells dominated the planet, producing oxygen and slowly transforming the atmosphere. Life then evolved, learning to become more complex. Cells began cooperating, forming multicellular organisms. In the oceans, strange and wondrous creatures emerged, followed by beings with shells and compound eyes. Then predators with primitive teeth and jaws. Eventually, the world witnessed the Cambrian explosion, an event that filled the oceans with life forms never seen before. Armored creatures appeared, massive predators, and fish with strong skeletons. The sea became the first kingdom of life. After millions of years, some creatures attempted to leave the water. Powerful fins, resembling limbs, evolved, giving rise to amphibians that made their way to land. After them came reptiles that no longer needed water to multiply. Then came the golden age of life on Earth, the age of the dinosaurs. They began small, then diversified and grew, until they dominated the planet with immense size and terrifying power. They filled the land, forests, and deserts, the skies with winged reptiles, and the seas with colossal predators. For a period spanning more than 160 million years, Earth was the kingdom of the dinosaurs. But every kingdom has its end. 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck the Earth, causing an explosion billions of times more powerful than nuclear energy. Darkness spread, fires raged, and the climate changed radically. In that harsh era, the dinosaurs vanished and their reign ended. Yet, the end opened a new door for life. Mammals appeared and began to spread. Some became giants roaming the plains, others returned to the sea, and some evolved to live among the trees. From these creatures, new species emerged, one of which marked the beginning of the human story. Creatures resembling humans appeared, walking on two legs, crafting tools from stone. It began with Homo habilis, then Homo erectus, who learned to light fire and traverse vast distances across continents. Over time, intelligence, language, and thought evolved until Homo sapiens emerged around 300,000 years ago. They began painting on cave walls, creating myths, building shelters, cultivating the land, and establishing the first cities. From these early communities, civilizations were born, and the journey of knowledge began. From a tiny cell in the ocean depths to a being shaping technology and exploring space, the journey of life was an epic tale, filled with endurance, change, and wonder. Today, humanity stands at a new era, an era of artificial intelligence, space exploration, and genetic experimentation. Our journey is far from over, and the question awaiting an answer is, what is the next chapter in the story of life on Earth?